You're a corn-fed boy. You'll be all right around that racing course.
I know I do like corn, but maybe the dry, crumbly shit. You bring someone to me that says they're corn-fed, but they eat that crumbly, dry cornbread shit. It's like, no. You get your ass back to wherever the fuck they make cornbread, or whatever fruit tree corn comes from, and you put more moisture in it, then come back and cook. What's up, man? What's with the camera? What do you want to know?
Tell us about today, man. What's going on?
It's early, dude. Out here at the Mint 400. A lot of good people out here. It's good to see the familiar faces that we don't get to spend a lot of time with. I thought you were riding it. Hey, wait! Where are you going? Hanging out with customers, people who support the brand, showing people the bike. It's hot. It's Vegas. It stopped fucking raining. You don't have one? I'm nervous as shit. Yeah, we're doing all right.
These are moto front forks attached to a Harley chassis. That's sweet.
Front forks we ripped off some Honda dirt bike. Got the finger tight on there. Mark from Rusty Butcher. Him and I are gonna drop a fire mixtape. Race Tech tuned all the shit. Justin killed it with the decals. Shit, S&S gave us parts. Saddleman with the killer custom seat. Bill Will came through with the bag.
Who did the fab?
Jacob Cook put the bike together in like 3 weeks. Like reinforcing the swing arm, moving the shock mount, moving the controls and everything. And Two Brothers Racing hooked up a pipe. Burley came through. A lot of people helping us out with this thing.
It's all on you now. The stage is set. You should. Sounds empty. Put some gas in there before the race.
If there's like a safe space or like a place like a comfort animal along the trail, if you start getting too nervous.
Squeeze, stress.
Yeah, safe word. Like Oklahoma. Best in Desert box van. That's good to know. Support crews, that's bold with an exclamation point. That's got to be important. Do you make any sense of this? It's a bit too long. It's like, where's the Cliff Notes of this? Amateurs. It'll be a breeze. Like, Carmen, we're so relaxed about the whole thing. And like everything else is just autopilot. I'm just cool as a cucumber, you know? Like, it's just another milk run. There's really nothing to worry about. That's how I look at it. My man Jacob Cook drove out from SoCal last night. He's gonna get the bike rolling so I can ride it right to a fucking cactus. Couldn't have done any of this without him, man. He's a real wizard with it.
How you feeling, bud?
I'm a little sweaty right now, but I'm doing pretty good. I think this is the actual Mint race. It's a 1 mile push down Fremont Street. I'm currently in second place, about to pass first.
Barry's so strong and handsome. He really does have it all going on. Yeah, Barry's just being Barry, man. He don't know anything else. Like, and God bless him for it. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, we just gotta push some all-American muscle through here. That's right, it's a Harley-Davidson. Oh, yeah.
Is that a Huffy?
This is not a Huffy. I've been eating tons of organic, free-range, hand-baked potatoes to get me ready for this day. It's finally paying off. And I swear it's the truth. And I owe it all to Mark. Got him. Or was I supposed to say D's nuts? Got him. Haha, hashtag.
I love the way you push that bike.
Thanks, bro. I like your beard looks cool, I guess. Thanks, Kellen. If I see you in those fucking spies, you're dead. God. Dude, Mark, loving the energy. I figure race day will be like half as hard as this. I am sweating, I tell you what. I sweat enough as it is on account of like my nervousness and constant diarrhea, but like this is a whole new level. And this was the last photo ever taken of Doug Carlson. He perished while pushing his bike through tech. I should have worn my Cortezes, I knew it.
No?
Oh, jeez. Yo, Wilkie! You said it wouldn't happen, bro, but here I am pushing my Harley-Davidson through Contingency to tech at the Mint 400.
He's just cutting the line.
Eat my shorts, Wilkie!
I fucking love you guys.
Right on, man. I love you too, bro.
Hardcore.
Right.
I'm gonna give this one to you, Saga.
Oh, thanks, bro. Yeah, it's shrink wrapped. It looks tasty. No, I know, but the funny thing is, it's like, oh, if we lose them, it's $1,000. But like, it's a transponder. Can you guys find them?
Oh, yeah.
Mikey, did you do it? Did you get the transponder thing? I don't know what. Or did I do it? Well, they're not asking me for anything, so I'm just going to assume that I did. A little anxious.
And what number's on it?
A12.
Thank you. And what size motor on this one?
1200.
And they gave you a transponder, which you've got somewhere?
Yes, I do, sir.
Make sure,
That's right here, actually, in my front pocket. Imagine that. Huh.
make sure it's on the bike tomorrow.
Oh, shit. I was just going to leave it in my Hawaiian shirt.
Yeah, not good.
We're rolling?
Get out of here.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Okay. All right, my man. Thank you. Good to go, bud.
Okay, you're good to go.
Sweet. Thank you. All right, we did the tech inspection. That's sweet.
Bike's looking great.
She's a runner. Excuse me, right on. Excellent, excellent. Here we are, the home stretch. Look at that. Woo! Fighter jets overhead, surrounded by trash. Riding a Harley-Davidson through the desert? I mean, what could be more fucking American than that? Fuck. God damn it. Where the fuck are they? Can they even fucking see me down here? They're just gonna drive away in their air-conditioned truck. Fuck me, fuck this, fucking shit. Yeah. Oh, man. Right. That was tough going, boys. Oh yeah, a little bit of breathing room. Obviously the mint's gonna be a breeze.
Is that a classic Pepsi?
Yeah, I uncovered it when I was trying to dig out like the rear wheel. Anyways, after a hard day of training, you know what I like to say? Time to give up. Filling up my water bottles. Dude, gotta stay hydrated out there. Hee hee hee. I have no idea what I'm doing. What am I getting myself into?
Once bumps hit the road, we'll deal with it when that comes.
Ready to fucking race. I just hate when hair's in my face. It drives me nuts.
Oh, my boot just melted to my heel. I'm the absolute worst person out here. Fucking tacky. How is this doing this shit? Oh, fuck. Hey, how much further till I'm done with this? 25?
Look at his cockle.
What the fuck is this? It's torturous.